First question is sin 2x is tan x is greater than or equal to 2. This is the question. So what you need to do is you write sin 2x in terms of tan. We have the formula. 2 tan x over 1 plus tan square x plus tan x. Clear this one? Yes. Now this implies 2 tan x plus tan x into 1 plus tan square x over 1 plus tan square x is greater than or equal to 2. Till here it's okay? LCM. Now this implies, now it's a positive quantity. Okay, na? It's a positive quantity or not? 1 is positive, tan square is always positive.
Yes.
Now you can take out this side of inequality. If this is negative, if you take out, then inequality changes. If positive, if you take out, inequality does not change. Okay, na?
Okay.
Now what you do is, now this is 2 tan x plus tan x into plus tan cube x is greater than or equals to 2 plus 2 tan square x. Inequality will not change because 1 plus tan square x is a positive quantity. Now this is equal to tan cube x, 2 tan x plus tan x, that is 3 tan x. You take out this total thing this side, left hand, right hand side. 2 tan square x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. Clear? You write in an order, that is tan cube x minus 2 tan square x plus 3 tan x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0. Now, how to solve this equation? First, you need to factorize this one. Factorize the For factorize, first you predict one root by trial method. First, you predict one root by trial method. Changes in trial method, first 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, like this we substitute. First, you put tan x equal to 1, whether it satisfies or not. Then 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. Yes, 4 minus 4.
Sir, after the long division, sir, I got the equation x square minus x plus 2.
Yes. Now, tan x equal to 1 is a root, means for this one, tan x minus 1 is a factor or not?
Yes, sir.
Now we will do the Horner's method. Therefore, here 1 minus 2, 3 minus 2. Now tan x equal to 1 is the one factor already we found. 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1. Here minus 1, 2, plus 2. Therefore 0. Now this 1 cancel for what? Cube. Therefore, how can you write this tan cube x minus 2 tan square x plus 3 tan x minus 2. This is tan x is minus 1 because tan x equal to 1 is a root, therefore tan x, it's a factor. This cancel for cube, then next quadratic you remain. For that quadratic, these are the coefficients. That is tan square x, coefficient is 1, minus tan x, because minus 1 is there,
plus 2,
plus constant.
Yes.
Is greater than or equal to 0. Okay, na?
Yes.
Yes. So now, if you observe this one, what I do is, I will write this thing as this. I will keep like this only, tan x minus 1 into, I will write this thing tan square x minus 2 times 1 by 2 into tan x plus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 plus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So what I have done here, I have written the tan x as 2 into 1 by 2, right? 2 1 by 2 cancel, 1 only. Means I am trying to make this as a perfect square.
Yes,
a
sir.
square
Completing.
a square minus
Yes, sir.
2ab plus b square. That's why 1/2 whole square subtract and add. Okay na?
Yes. Sir, we can't do it
Yes,
by
sir.
grouping, sir.
ఎట్లా గ్రూప్ చేస్తావు? చేయలేం. ఎలా చేస్తావు?
Okay.
No.
Factorization.
No.
Middle terms bit.
నో ఇలానే
Okay.
చేయాల్సింది. అర్థమైందా? కంప్లీటింగ్ స్క్వేర్ అన్నట్టు అర్థమైందా? 2 ఇంటూ
Okay,
ఏ
sir.
ఏ మైనస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ కానీ a ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ రాశారు. 2a b అంటే ఏంది 1/2. Therefore
Yes.
b square కావాలి ప్లస్ b square minus b square. Now this can be written as tan x minus 1 into this part is what? Tan x minus 1/2 whole square or not? Plus 2 minus 1/4. Clear this one? That implies tan x minus 1 into tan x minus 1/2. This is greater than or equal to minus 1/2 whole square plus what is this? 7/4 is greater than or equal to 0.
Sir, either both are positive or both are negative.
Yes. Now see, if you observe this one, it's a positive quantity or not? Non-negative, either 0 or positive. Yes or no? Plus sign is there, plus. Therefore this total thing is what? Positive or not? Is there any chance of becoming negative? No.
No, sir.
No, it's always positive. Therefore product is positive because greater than or equal to 0. One is positive. This must be positive or not?
Yes, sir.
ఎందుకంటే ప్లస్ ఇంటూ ప్లస్ ప్లస్ కదా, ఆల్రెడీ ఇది ప్లస్, ఇది కంపల్సరీ ప్లస్ కావాలి, ఇది మైనస్ అయ్యే ఛాన్స్ లేదు. దెర్ ఇస్ నో ఛాన్స్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్ బికమింగ్ ఇట్ మైనస్. ఓకే, సో ఫ్రమ్ దిస్ వన్ దిస్ ఇంప్లైస్ tan x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0 or not? Either 0 or positive. Next అంటే ఏంటి? దట్ ఈస్ tan x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. That implies tan x is greater than or equal to what? 1. And ultimately we need to solve which equation? Tan x is greater than or equal to 1. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now we will draw the graph of tan x. In which interval tan x is? Now how to solve the inequalities? Draw the graph. y1 is equal to what? Trigonometric inequality. Chepne kada. y2 is equal to what here? 1. Okay na?
Yes.
You draw the graph of tan x and 1 on the same coordinate plane. Yes. Now look at this is 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus pi. So, okay, right. So now we'll draw the graph of tan x. ఇదైతే asymptote అవుతుంది. ఇలా ఉంటుందా గ్రాఫ్ ఆఫ్ tan, రఫ్ గ్రాఫ్. Is this okay? Graph of tan x?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we'll draw the graph of y2 is equal to 1. y2 is equal to 1 is the what? Line which passes through the 0, 1 and parallel to x-axis. So the graph will be like this. Okay? Yes. So this point is what now? It passes to 0, 1 point. This thing. Now our requirement is what? Tan x must be above the line. 1. Tan x must be above the line. First we will write the particular solution, then after we will write the general solution. Particular solution means in one branch. You consider just this branch. Ee branch lo general solution ras generalize cheste it will cover all the branches or not? So we will concentrate on this branch. E branch will rather. In this branch, see, now you will find the point of intersection. Now we need this one. This point we need. So how to get that point? You solve intersection points. Tan x equal to 1. And x equal to first quadrant, pi by 4 or not? This point of intersection.
Yes, sir.
When x equal to 45, then that is 1. Therefore, pi by 4. Now, tell me, now tan x graph is above the one line. That is, this is this graph is what? Y1 is equals to tan x, and this one is what? Y2 is equal to 1. Now tell me, in which interval tan x is above the one line? In from for this
pi by
only
4 to pi by 2.
yes, only consider this one. Tell
Yes.
me, in interval pi by 4 to pi by 2 or not?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Here equality is also there. That's why you take pi by 4 open closed interval. Okay, na? Pi by 4 also allowed, but pi by 2 never allowed because that is infinity. Tan 90, if extending to pi by 2, tan goes to infinity. It's asymptote. That's why pi by 2 is always open. Pi by 4 is closed here because equality is there. Tan 45 is equal to 1. So this part or not?
Yes.
So this
Arithmetic.
part. Yes. Now the solution set is normal. Particular solution is what? Pi by 4. That is tan x is greater than or equal to 1. Greater than or equal to 1 in the interval in closed 0 to open pi by 2. ఈ interval లో ఎప్పుడు అవుతుంది? When pi by 4 is less than x is less than pi by 2 or not?
Sir, why are we taking open interval at pi by 2?
Pi by 2 means at x equal to pi by 2 tan is what? Infinity, undefined.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It never reaches, it approaches only. We call that as asymptote. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Tangent at infinity is called as asymptote.
Yes, sir.
So now this is the particular solution. Now again the same thing repeats. What is the period of tan? Pi or not? Period of sine is what? 2 pi. That's
Yes, sir.
why whenever sine and cos are there, for general solution add 2n pi for inequality. But
Yes,
here
sir.
tan is what? When it is repeating after pi radians or not? See,
Yes, sir.
repetition is happening what? Pi radians tarvata vastunda leda? Chudu,
Yes,
ee
sir.
distance enta unnadi? Pi, next branch.
Yes, sir.
Now add n pi. That's why, not 2n pi. General solution. Therefore, general solution is n pi plus pi by 4 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to n pi plus pi by 2. Is this okay? See, for n is equal to 0, you will get this part for this branch. For n is equal to 1, you will check. For n is equal to 1, rough in here we will check. For n is equal to 1, what you get? Pi plus pi by 4 is less than or equal to x is less than pi plus pi by 2.
Sir,
That
then
is what?
equality is not there, sir.
5
Only
pi by 4.
greater
Here
than,
not
sir.
there. Yeah. Right hand side not there. Only. Yeah. Here, if n is equal to 0, pi by 4 to pi by 2 already we have seen our graph. Next, for n is equal to 1, 5 pi by 4 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 2. Then how will be the interval? This one. This is what? 5 pi by. Sachit, okay na?
Yes, sir.
This is
No.
for n is equal to 1, you will get 5 pi by 4 to 3 pi by 2. Student,
Yes.
E part is here.
Yes, sir.
This part, 3 pi by 2.
Sir, at the
Sir.
same